climate change has many causes, and it does not matter who are to be blamed for the high volumes of carbon dioxide being released by the industries. The reality is that life on Earth is in danger, be it ice mountains melting, resulting in oceans rising, consuming valuable land, floods destroying crop fields, or the absence of rain, preventing farmers from planting summer or winter crops. The truth and facts are on the table. We as human beings have to change our behavior. And this is where the media comes in, informing, educating and sensitizing not only the public, but also politicians and decision makers. But there are barriers.
One will say we are trying, we are doing our best, but to say enough, one will really not say we are doing enough. But that actually boils down to the facilities, coming to the personnel, coming to the desks that are specialized in climate change itself. And that actually makes us to a little bit not do enough. But anyway, somehow people are trying in different media houses to put through this message of climate change to the community as much as possible as they can.
A journalist training workshop on how to report and what to report on climate change ended yesterday in the capital. And indications are clear that many news desks do not see the urgency of this topic.
I think with climate change, we're at the same stage now as we were a couple of years back with HIV/AIDS. People not reporting on it, or if they report on it, it's at page 8 or page 10 or something like that. Luckily, I think with the current events in Namibia, with the floods and snow in the south and the winds blowing in November at the coast, I think climate change is coming to the forefront more, and I think people are really realizing that it's not an environmental issue, but really a development issue that needs our attention.
Although Namibia is not classified as an industrialized country like India, China or Europe, we are at the receiving end of the CO2 emissions. And the direct effects are mostly targeting the poorest of the poor, as this segment of the community depend on agriculture for a living.